everybody, it's me again. I am just here chatting about what happens at the end when you sell your house. So we sign paperwork, you end up going home, you're wondering what the heck happens from here. Oh, the other exciting, important part when you sell your house is you give the title company a voided check so that they can put all that money into your account. And so you're just waiting for me to call you to say, hey, it's closed. Then what? What do we do from there? So what we do from there is you want to get the house cleaned. You obviously want to remove all your personal property except the stuff that you actually said you were going to keep. So like if we said we were going to leave the range, the refrigerator, the washer dryer, you got to leave those things. Typically the curtains, the blinds, anything that's like attached to the property. And we'll go over that in the contract originally, but it's a good reminder. And then sometimes, I just have a deal right now where they have this awesome art on the exterior of their fence. They're leaving that for the buyers and the buyers wanted it. So it just kind of depends on what is negotiated in the contract and also what both buyer and seller want. So but then from there, you're going to want to clean everything. You're going to want it to be as well clean as possible. Ideally, especially in the throes of it, you might want to hire a professional cleaner, and we have great resources for that, for someone we can just schedule and get them in, and you don't have to deal with all of that. But if you want to do it for yourself, if you want to do it for yourself for some reason, you can go for it and do that. Typically, you would want to clean the interior of the cabinets, the floors, mop them. Broom clean is really what it says, but if you haven't cleaned in a while, it might be worth broom. Not just broom, but mop cleaning. And then, a good deep clean on the kitchen and bath, and then basement, clearing out everything. The other thing typically people leave are the old paint cans so that people can match their paint. Sometimes you might, especially if like the buyer is a first-time home buyer, we might arrange to leave an old lawnmower if that's something that you were interested in, or anything like that. But so really, at the end of the day, it's all negotiable, but I would say check in with me and I'll check in with you and we'll kind of figure it out. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. Have a wonderful week, guys.